name is Vivian Liu. It's my honor to stand here today and share that I achieved the Sharon Rose Master. Praise the Lord. I'm a bit nervous. I'm sincerely want to thank my family for their constant support and my sponsors for their guidance and unlimited support that help us to prepare the challenge. Although not everyone is here, but I was able to complete the mastership run with the support of both my Canadian and global partners. We kept connected to Zoom, WeChat, WhatsApp, and we work as one team. Some of my partners during the run, they really want to give up, but because we encourage one another and we make it through. This journey reminded me that success is not achieved alone. It's built through trust, teamwork, and perseverance. Thank you, Atomy Canada. Acha, acha, acha.
My name is Yuli, Sharon Role Master. Thank you, Atomy, creating wonderful platform where anyone with a passion and consistency can succeed. A few years ago, my husband and I searching a better way for take care to our health. So a friend, she very patient, she very kindly, she shared the Atomy product for me. I afraid, so I say no. So she shared twice a week for 3 months. So I couldn't want to say no to her. So I tried them. And wow, just 3 weeks, I could feel very, very big change from inside out. My skin become clear, my energy returned, and my smiling start again. Because before I'm very sick. I was so happy. I share with everyone, whether they listen or not. Because I want to share with everyone, because I want them feel as good as I did. And later, I got commission. That's when I realized sharing something good can help me build a future. So today, my husband, my family, and I are happier. Now, through Atomy, I walk in the path, the path to freedom. Now, my next goal is a star master. I will get moving forward toward imperial master. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you my team. Thank you my partner, my applied downline. Thank you Atomy.